Web development isn't a single job title. It's a whole set of possible paths. Let's break down the most common roles and where each one might take you. Front-end developers focus on everything a user actually sees and interacts with, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and frameworks to build interfaces that feel great to use. Back-end developers work behind the scenes, building the logic, security, and data systems that power everything the front end displays. Servers, databases, and application logic are their own domain. A full-stack developer sits right in the overlap, comfortable working across both front-end and back-end, able to build an entire feature from the interface all the way down to the database. From that same foundation, more specialized roles branch out too. UI, UX designers focused on look and feel, DevOps engineers focused on deployment and infrastructure, and many more. These skills don't only lead to traditional jobs either. Many developers freelance, working with clients on their own terms, and others use these exact same skills to build and launch products of their own. Front end, back end, full stack, specialized, freelance, or entrepreneurial. However you choose to apply these skills, it all starts from the same place. Let's close things out with some final advice before you begin.